Welcome to Diva Secret International. To create a successful long-term venture between Diva Secret International and its business partners, bringing quality products to enrich everyone's health and at the same time providing a world-class platform to build their wealth. Committed in assisting our business partners to transform their entire life and those of their teams, families, communities, and their generations for the better through our international platform. Why we have health problems: less nutrition in blood, chemicals in food, 1 coloring, 2 preservative, 3 pesticide, 4 flavoring. Before I talk about the damages done by the chemical to our body, we will see what our intestine job function: poor intestine absorption, less nutrition for organs. There are 25 main ingredients of Diva Secret Stem Cell, which consist of astaxanthin. Called astaxanthin is a powerful antioxidant found naturally in algae, shrimp, salmon, crabs, and lobster. This is part of carotenoid family, fat-soluble pigments that gives color to plants and animals. The carotenoid you are probably most familiar with is beta-carotene, which gives carrots an orange color. Astaxanthin is a red carotenoid and gives a pink color to the salmon. Outside its colorful effect, what makes astaxanthin unique is its antioxidant power. It is more powerful than other natural antioxidants. And unlike other antioxidants, it will not be a proxy for the body. This is important because it delays aging process. This is a great news for everyone, especially the ladies. Acai berries are said to contain various nutrients, such as iron, calcium, carbohydrates, fiber, and antioxidants. The fruit also contains essential vitamins and minerals, including B vitamins, E, fatty acids, omega-3, omega-6, and omega-9. Among the benefits of this acai berry is weight loss, increased energy, better digestion, improved sleep quality, improved mental health, more immune system, immunity strong, preserves skin health, healthier, youthful, benefits detoxification, improves blood circulation, maintain heart health. Aquaman is a unique red seaweed. It contains complex multi-mineral. It provides biocalcium and magnesium, as well as 74 trace minerals that lead to the best health for the bones and body as a whole. Aquaman also has a unique sense that it is capable of identifying minerals that are necessary or not in the body-human system. Aquaman is a natural choice for everyone, enriched by all the benefits of food and health. Supplements at various levels. Boswellia, also known as Indian frankincense, is an herbal extract taken from the Boswellia serrata tree. Boswellia is an Ayurvedic plant that contains anti-inflammatory triterpenoids called boswellic acids. Boswellic acid and its derivatives have anti-carcinogenic, anti-tumor, and blood lipid-lowering activities. Dried extracts of the resin of the Boswellia serrata tree has been used since antiquity in India to treat inflammatory conditions and joint aches. These apple stem cells are also able to restore the cardiovascular system, heart disease risk, stroke, and high cholesterol, as well as control diabetes, boost the immune system, as well as relieving joint pain. Apple stem cells has a positive impact on human beings, as it is capable of repairing tissues and cells in the body. In addition, it promotes the production of new cells. It also helps to protect human skin stem cells from the elements that can damage the skin, such as ultraviolet UV rays. Apple stem cells are also considered to be antioxidants, which prevents cancer. Indirectly, it can prevent cells in the body from damage and kill harmful free radicals. Honey prevents metabolic stress and helps calm and soothe the brain. The natural antioxidants and therapeutic properties in honey help in boosting brains, cholinergic system, and circulation. It also helps in receding cells that cause memory loss. Habatus sativa or Nigella sativa is the scientific name for black cumin seed, which comes from fennel flowers native to Asia. The medicinal benefits of Habatus sativa were recorded as early as the year 980 by the Persian Muslim physician Avicenna, who stated that ingesting the seeds of the Habatus sativa plant was a treatment for dyspnea, shortness of breath. The benefits of black seed in the body are helpful to relieve coughs and colds, respiratory problems, improve in strengthening liver function, helps control high blood pressure, and hypertension, helps lower cholesterol, helps in balancing insulin/sugar levels in the body, helping to smooth out blood. Circulation helps in increasing milk production in mothers. Acts as anti-cancer, antioxidant, and antihistamine/prevents allergies and helps strengthen the immune system. Probiotic is best described as a microorganism which naturally occurs in cultured foods, which improves the health of its host. Probiotic foods naturally contain probiotic cultures of yeast or bacteria. Probiotic bacteria perform some important functions, such as supporting a healthy immune system, metabolism, and digestion. Pomegranate packed with nutrients, rich in antioxidants, help keep inflammation at bay, have anti-cancer properties, offer heart health benefits, support urinary health, improves exercise endurance and recovery, good for your brain, supports digestive health. Turmeric, a relative of ginger, this vivid yellow-orange spice is common in Indian, Southeast Asian, and Middle Eastern cooking. It's also been used as medicine in places like India for centuries to treat issues such as breathing problems. Lately, turmeric has been touted as a superfood that can fight cancer, ease depression, and more. Grapeseed extract, anti-inflammatory, has antibacterial and antifungal properties, helps increase intestinal integrity and prevent stomach ulcer. Bilberry extract * strengthens blood vessels. * improves circulation. * treats diarrhea. * prevents cell damage. Could help in treating retinopathy. Blackcurrant extract. Black currants are full of antioxidants, including anthocyanins. Anthocyanins gives black currants their characteristic dark color and fight free radicals in the body, oxidative stress, and cell damage. Black currants have one of the highest antioxidant values among the fruits family, making them effective in treating or preventing many number of health issues. Glycidin gliadin promotes the production of body's natural antioxidant system, supports healthy immune function, and protects against oxidative. Glycodin cantaloupe rich in nutrients. These nutrients has many health benefits. Cantaloupe also has good calories, and you can use it in your diet. Cantaloupe has a low calorie content. It has also no fat and 0 cholesterol. Cantaloupe is also rich in potassium at 12% of daily value, which is part of the body's cells and fluids to control blood pressure and heart rate. The presence of potassium in cantaloupe has many benefits and improves the body's overall functions. Benefits include eye/joint health, stress, muscle pull, cancer, prostate issues, diabetes, infertility, dental problem, prostate issues, spinal cord injury, muscular degeneration, sickle cell, osteoarthritis, rheumatism, hypertension, stomach ulcer, kidney disease, gastrointestinal, skin infection, headache, hemorrhoids, liver problem, anti-aging, impotence, cardiovascular disease, and improve blood flow. Confidently beautiful, every woman deserves it. Diva Secret Stem Cell has the ability to make you confident with your skin. Apple stem cell benefits to skin protect skin cells from damage effects of UV rays, promotes new healthy skin cell formation to prevent age-related degradation. Benefits are accumulative. Longer you use, the better results will be received. Skin firming cell rejuvenation, skin rebuilding, moisturizing, increases skin elasticity, reduces appearance of wrinkles, increase skin cell vitality and longevity, repairs damaged tissue, target premature aging and fine lines, reverses environmental damage. Our Diva Care Stem Cells gives an irresistible glow to your skin when you use it. For a few months. If you desire that fresh, youthful looks, this is for you. Directions to take Diva Secret Stem Cells every morning on empty stomach. Take 1 sachet, pour it under the tongue, let dissolve on its own. Take breakfast after 15 minutes. Why sublingual? Rapid absorption. Avoid first fast effect, faster and more effective. Make money with Diva Secret. Diva Secret future for you to create a #1 international platform from local to global. Make available genuine products at reasonable price for all to create online mall in near future where every member can get quality products ranging from household to wellness products, incorporating members into the company through the offer of shares after public listing. The ultimate compensation plan. Diva Secret International's compensation plan is awesome, with 5 ways to join and 11 ways to earn. Ways to join Diva Secret International. Packages 5. 1 admission, $32.05. 2 bronze, $62.05. 3 silver, $112.05. 4 gold, $450. 5 diamond, $1,100. Ways to win/get paid. 1 retail bonuses. 2 referral/refer bonus. 3 roll/cumulative bonus. 4 matching/pairing bonuses. 5 key-in bonus. 6 unlevel bonus. 7 upgrade bonuses. 8 rank reward. 9 travel incentives. 10 car reward. 11 house reward. 1 retail bonuses. Retail is optional, and here the company allows the buying and selling of its products without peddling. Every time you buy, enjoy discounts on every product as a member. 2 referral sponsorship bonus. You earn from every person you refer to the business. You get paid based on the package they joined. For instance, if you joined a starter package, you are sponsoring a fellow like. Beginner earned $4.05. Bronze earned $9. Money earned $18. Gold earned $72. Diamond earned $180. If you signed up with a bronze package and you are sponsoring, beginner earns $5.06. Bronze earned $12.05. Money wins $22.05. Gold earns $90. Diamond wins $225. If you have joined a silver package, you are sponsoring fellows. Beginner earns $6.75. Bronze earned $13.05. Silver earned $27. Gold earned $108. Diamond earned $270. If you signed up with a gold package, you are sponsoring fellows. Beginner earned $9, bronze earned $18. Money wins $36. Gold earns $144. Diamond wins $360. REMRK. As a direct referral bonus, you earn money depending on the package you signed up with, and depending on the package you signed up for, the bigger the package, the more you earn. 3 bonus roll-up. On the roll-up bonus, If your downlines or someone under you registers someone, you always earn a percentage of commission according to the registered package. And it does not matter if the weak side or the strong side. For matching bonuses, if you start a business with one of the packages, you will have two group sides, left and right. That means your first person will be on the left and the other on the right, and you will earn a bonus of pairing. If the starter package brings 2 entries, he or she earns $3 in matching bonus. If a bronze package brings 2 bronze packages, he or she earns $6 in matching bonus. If a silver package brings 2 silver packages, he or she earns $12 in matching bonus. If a gold package brings 2 gold packages, he or she earns $48 in matching bonus. If a diamond package brings 2 diamond packages, he or she wins $120 in matching bonus. Then whichever package will join you from any team, you will start getting VEPs for pairing. Let's say if you are a starter, then you sponsor a silver package from your left. You will get $27 plus 90 PIV. Then you refer another silver package to your right. You will get $27 plus 90p. Then the company will associate 90p from your left and 90p from your right. You will get a bonus of $54. Total, $62 with referral bonus and matchmaking bonus. Starter package, you win pairings. Daily income $16. Monthly income $480. Bronze package, you win. Daily income $64. Monthly income $1,920. Silver package, you win. Daily income $136. Monthly income $4,080. Gold package, you win. Daily income $432. Monthly income $12,960. Diamond package, remember, daily income unlimited. Monthly income unlimited. 5 key in bonuses. The Kexin bonus or the commission paid when you register other distributors/partners in our company, it is extra money or bonus. 6 unilevel bonus. The unilevel bonus is the commission you earn from anyone redeeming or purchasing a product on your team, regardless of who is invited. 7 upgrade bonuses. Bonus you earn when your members upgrade from small package to bigger package, and it's good bonus, etc.